Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend and ready for another cracking week. Today we are going to be playing with my VIP kits for July. Finally, I managed to create an Alice in a Wonderland theme. This was probably one of the most requested kit from the VIP members. Due to copyright, it's really hard to find some license-free images, but I managed to find some and I bought some license. So yeah, happy to showcase two fabulous kits. Probably after the April one, these are definitely my favorite one. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today I'm so happy and delighted to showcase the VIP kits for the month. So in case you're new to me and you don't know what the VIP papers are, I have a subscription service on my website where you pay once and you get 2 digital papers sent to your email address the first of every month, and those papers are not available to everybody else to buy. This is why it's a VIP, it's a premium service. This one here, which I'll show you today, Alice in Wonderland, has been one of the most requested kits because a lot of us, I put myself in the list, are really huge fans of Alice. The problem with that was that I couldn't find any free images I could use. So I finally managed to get to pay for this illustration to be for commercial users. So I'm finally got there eventually, and I'm super pleased to showcase what I created. So the first kit that you guys, my VIP members, have got, you guys can get if you subscribe today, is called Alice in Flowerland. It's not Wonderland, it's Flowerland, because there's a lot of huge flowers. There's a lot of 3D flowers. It's more like a magical land. And then it's her. Look how sassy Alice is. She's so cute. Okay, so both kits that I'm going to show you today, and they're 9 pages each. So I've got Alice, and then we have the rabbit. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. And I play with some colors with some watercolor effect. So I'm very pleased with how this turned out. And I really love the colors of these magical flowers. Then I got, I designed a couple of pages with some tags, which I'm going to make today. And everything that I show you guys, I'm going to put it together so you guys can see what they will look like. But I thought this were quite fun. So you've got the Queen of Hearts, the mushrooms, Alice, some flowers, the teapot, and the jack with the little butterfly. I think they're really pretty. Never seen anything like this, so I'm hoping I'll be the first. And then another page. This is black and white. Okay, I'm quite happy with the result. Then I've got another page. Now this is my idea of Wonderland. It's butterflies and cupcakes. So if you give me a word that there will be just cupcakes and butterflies, I will be super happy, because I love cupcakes and I like butterflies. So this is my idea of Wonderland. This is why this is me. This is my contribution to the kit. Then I've got a page with a milk carton box, and the lovely Dina sent me an email a couple of days ago, asked me how to put it together, which I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you this together so you can see how easy it is to put a box. Now I'm not going to bother to put these on a cardstock because I print them as I need them. So I'll just show you what it looks like. But I'm using the copy paper version. Then I've got, and this is probably my favourite page, a pillow box with Alice, but also with the 3 magical mushrooms in a little jars. Do you know what? They will be amazing hidden paper clips. So I'm going to do another tutorial. We're going to make hidden paper clips, and what I was thinking to do, we're going to use these 3 mushrooms and some of these tags. So yeah, we're going to do another tutorial definitely, because I think these tags with this on top, I think they will look really good, or even just the mushrooms with some background. Yeah, I've got lots of ideas what I do with this. Then I've got a page for them with envelopes. So I've got a scallop envelopes with the rabbit, and then Alice into and the rabbit into two envelopes. But what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to showcase all this embellishment. So I'm going to show you what everything looks like. And then I've got the last page, which you've got 4 circle embellishment with this gigantic flowers, and then 5 tags. Each one has got the card theme, and then this little one here with a rabbit. Can you see it? I'm hoping you can. So this is one, Alice in Flowerland. And the second kits that you guys will receive and the VIP members have received already, because I always tend to do the video once I'm sure. I send all the emails and the guys have got the kits, because I don't want to spoil the surprise. So I always publish this video a bit later on in the month. So this is called Feathers and Flora, because there's a lot of feathers and there's a lot of flowers. And I kept mostly blue. That's the theme. And also, guys, those 2 kits can be used together. So when I send my VIP kits, I always try to design things that blend, so you guys can use these 2 paper packs together. Okay, so let me move Alice on here for a minute. Okay, so let me go through these pages. So you got this huge background with blue floral and some watercolor. And I don't know about you guys, but I do love the color combination of an ocean blue and a very deep reddish, pinkish, purplish. I think it works together. And what I did, I repeat this color in different shades, and I think it's all work. Then this page here, it's blue and purple, another favorite combination of mine. And I don't know what you can see. There is a bit of gray. I will call it wine color, which is more like a burgundy gray. And those colors here with that and the purple and the blue, I think it really works. Hope you like it. Then another gigantic flowers, but again, not as magical as the other ones. This is more like, I was thinking like, what's the word? A tapestry, more like a sofa. Do you know, if you have a sofa like this, oh, I would be happy to sit on it. And then basically this is the blue version of that. So it's exactly the same print. I just have a little play with colors. Then a page with flowers, and then there is the feathers on top. I hope you can see the feathers. So different shapes. Then this is a page where you've got some pockets and side pockets if you make your journals. And then some embellishment. On this one, I added some glitter, just to give it that extra touch. And again, I kept blue and purple together. Then I'm going to give you a page of embellishment. Again, I kept all blue and purple with the feathers, watercolor feathers on tops. I hope you guys can see them. And then last but not least is a page full of tabs. Okay, so you can fussy cut those tabs. And I thought you can put numbers on top, or if you do your planners, you can use that as like a little post-it, or yeah, tabs for your journal. I love those. They're super fun to make, and they're so colorful, very bright. I mean, this is super bright. So yeah, so that's the 2 kits. So you get 2 kits every month. You always get 20% off to purchase any kit on my website for an entire year. So if, for example, if you subscribe today, you get those 2 kits plus 20% off, unique code, unique to you, to use it for 12 months. So when I got a sale or when I got a new kit, you get automatic 20% off. And also every month I send a cheeky offer. Sometimes it's a free kit, sometimes it's a 3 for 2, sometimes, I don't know, it's something. It changes every month, so I'm trying to do some variations. Okay, so what am I going to do today, guys? I'm going to fussy cut this embellishment, and I'll show you what they look like. Okay guys, I hope you love them as much as I do. All the links are down below if you wish to join the VIP members, and you get the 2 paper kits, the discount code and the cheeky offer every month. Special thank you today, and I put a comment on the screen now, goes to the lovely Francine. Francine says she loves my hometown vintage photos on the project a while ago when we made the folks film strips with this dye. So thank you so much, Francine, for your love and support. It means the world to me. So I am offering a £5 off discount code to all the existing VIP members. They actually resubscribed for the 2nd year in a row, and I thought it's only fair that if I offer the same coupon code to you guys if you want to join. So yeah, so enjoy £5 off your VIP lounge. Add the kit to the cart and then add the code VIP5, just one word, VIP5 at checkout, and that will take £5 off immediately you subscribe. So just want to take 2 minutes to say thank you so much to Pamela, Rita, Eric. Yes, we have a guy. No, doesn't happen often, but we do have some guys in the group. So yes, and Martha, and all these lovely guys have joined in June, and it's so heartfelt because Martha, and I've asked her if I have the permission to share, and she gave me the permission. Martha actually bought the VIP subscription for her friend. So her friend, as a birthday present, so her friend, which I get, of course, I have a detail, will receive the kits, the discount code, and the offer every month for 12 months. Well, I thought, what is a thoughtful, lovely present? So yeah, just to give you some ideas, you want to treat yourself for your birthday or treat somebody else. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Thumbs up if you like Alice, and thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. The second is for me, the first is for Alice. No, I'm kidding. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, honestly, any thumbs up is much appreciated. Guys, I will leave on the screen 2 links. One when we did the explosion box, like a box pop-up card with Alice in Wonderland, and the second video is when we did the Queen of Heart altered playing card with a lot of Alice in Wonderland's theme. So yeah, click on one of those links, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.